Morning. It's about 5:30. Did you get the fuck up? Did you beat your face? Did you take a poop? I hope you did. You'll have a better day. Go outside, listen to the birds, try and get some pictures of the sunrise. You know, jump up and get down. Jump around. You know, get your lymphatic system moving, or your fat system moving, or your fat ass. It's healthy. You'll feel a lot better, believe me. Just go for a fucking walk. Go for a walk until you're too tired to walk anymore. You know, then eat a bowl of meat with some eggs. Trust me. I know it sounds kind of ridiculous, but if you get up with the birds and before the sun and you beat your face and you go for a walk and you eat a bowl of meat with some eggs, it does something to your brain, man. You'll feel better about everything. It's kind of like if you do the really hard thing in the morning that you don't want to do, then everything else you got to do during the day is somehow just kind of fucking easier. Anyway, do or do not. I don't really care. I don't know. Why do I even tell you guys anything? Anyway, smart ones know what I'm talking about. The dumb ones are still weak. Probably constipated because you can't get up and go for a walk and take a poop. Being constipated just makes shitty people even shittier. Think about that one. Salute.